Good morning, Ms. Linda. Go ahead.
And then on behalf of the people, you are the people who have any potential conflict between this honorable court and the office of the public defender, while the people don't believe this, you can make your waiver and avoidance law down.
You know, it's great hearing from young attorneys when they do that. But now the other side. Go ahead, Mr. Brown.
Norm Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, and the rumors of my agentness have been greatly exaggerated. We likewise do not believe that there are any conflicts in this honorable court hearing these matters. If a conflict were to arise, we would waive such conflict so that this honorable court could hear these matters.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. The court, for its part, does not believe there's a conflict either, and in Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. The court does call the case State of Michigan versus Davius Alexander.
Special calls for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Alexander, who's appearing via Zoom.
And could you state your name, please? Oh, he now is unmuted. State your name, please.
Davius Rayvon Alexander.
Thank you, sir. I have before me a plea form.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, the plea form indicates that he will be pleading, I think, as charged.
No, he will be.
No, I'm sorry. Well, it's on the form, it should be count 2 up in the right corner. To an added count of assault and battery.
That's correct, Your Honor. And
Please.
count 1 will be dismissed.
And count 1, the 93-day offense, count 1 would then be dismissed. That is the court's
In a quiet Michigan courtroom, judge listens carefully as Davius Alexander admits his guilt. The charge, assault and battery. With a calm voice, the judge reminds him of the rights he's giving up one by one. No trial, no excuses, just the truth. Alexander admits he bit a man's hand, and today, justice takes its first step toward accountability.
Your understanding of the agreement. So, correct.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Standing in, Your Honor, I believe that's correct.
All right, very good. Sir, could you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name again for the record, please.
Davius Rayvon Alexander.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of assault and/or assault and battery. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, a $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Yes.
Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
You understand that you're giving up the rights on that form, including the rights contained in paragraph 5, which are your trial rights.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of rights.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole? You're not, correct?
I'm in prison.
Yes, sir. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
Doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And also because you're guilty?
Yes, sir.
On the date of September 18, 2022, at the location of 2201 Hogback Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, what did you do regarding a James Bennett that makes you think that you're guilty?
I bit his hand.
Okay. You didn't have his permission to do that, did you?
No, sir.
All right. And you did it on purpose?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sir, I do have to advise you, although it's really not necessarily applicable in this case, that should you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of the plea and the time of sentencing, the court would no longer, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, the court would no longer be bound by any recommendation or evaluation regarding your case, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
People are satisfied.
The defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. How long has he been in? Well, I can't do it because
Because of the A and B case, yeah.
So since it's a VR case, I have to set it for sentencing. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered. Sentencing in this matter will be November 12th. Not yet. November 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Guys, take care.
You do the same. The court does call the case. People versus Carlos Edwards.
The tension rises as the courtroom confirms Alexander's guilty plea. The judge warns him. Any misconduct before sentencing could change everything. No promises, no pressure, only the weight of his own words. On November 12th, the court will decide his fate. A reminder to all. One moment of anger can echo for years inside the halls of justice.